Welcome, this is 4-1. We're going to classify triangles by its sides and angles. That's what number 1 asks for, okay? So you should remember the classifications. The side classifications include scalene, isosceles, equilateral, and your angles classification includes acute, right, obtuse, and equal angular. Okay, let's take a look at A here. A, it looks like here we see a 90 degrees. So that should already tell us what is going to be the angle. That is going to be a right. Okay, then now just take a look at the side. So right now it is right. And then notice this is going to tell you about the 40. Okay, then this is going to tell you about the 50. And then this is going to tell you about the 90. So notice that all the angles are different, therefore all the sides are going to be different. So this is going to be a right scalene. All right, because you should remember that from the inequalities of the triangle. So let's look at B here. Okay, so right now, let's see, are any of the angles the same? No, they're all different. Okay, so that's going to give us a scalene, because we're going to now know that all the sides are different, because this one is going to be 40. This one's going to be 55's relationship, and this is going to be like the 85 one. So all the angles are different, so all the sides are going to be different. So that's going to be scalene. Then, now we want to just look at the angles. All of these are under 90, so it's going to be considered to be acute because they're all under 90. So for B, it would be considered a acute scalene. Let's take a look at C. C, okay, notice that this and this are the same. So these two angles are the same, and it's going to tell you about its opposite side, so we can mark that. This is also going to mark this here as well. So the fact that we have two congruent sides, we can say that this is an isosceles. And then we can take a look. This here is 135 degrees, which is going to be larger than 90. That makes it an obtuse. Okay, so this one would be considered to be an obtuse isosceles. Then the last one, notice these are all the same. So these are all equal angles. The fact that they're all equal angles, it's going to tell us a relationship with the opposite sides. All the sides here are going to be also the same. So when it is all the same sides and all the same angle, that is going to be considered a equilateral triangle that is also equal angular as well. All right, so there you go.